Peter, not your average guy on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel, and I'm in Israel. I haven't been very lucky in the first couple of days because before I went here a couple of days ago I had a root canal treatment from the dentist. When I was here I had a lot of pain again in my tooth, so this went on for 2 days, and yesterday evening I was able to get to a dentist and he opened up my tooth and it's open now, and I got an antibiotic treatment. How do you call that? Antibiotical treatment. The pressure is off, but I had a couple of really bad days and I haven't been able to do what I wanted to do. Today I'm gonna take it very easy. This is the Timna Park, and this is a huge area, and there are copper mines here, and the pharaohs from Egypt had been mining copper here, but also King Solomon from Israel had been mining here. There has been temples here and villages and I don't know what, so I can drive through it with the car, and I'm gonna see if there are some interesting locations. It is allowed to fly the drone here, so I will have a look if there is a good spot where there is something nice to see and stuff like that. So let's go and see. There's a spiral hill out there, and we can walk there. So let's have a little walk and see what's out there. So I'm trying out a hyper smooth time-lapse feature of the GoPro. And I want to compare it to I don't think it recorded anything. That's weird. Here it is. Time-lapse. Time warp videos, time-lapse video, time-lapse photo, night-lapse, time-lapse video every half second. That should be better. Alright, so the first part went wrong. Now I'm gonna walk back. I should have a time-lapse video of when I'm walking back. So let's see. Okay, I hope that was better. Maybe I should fly the drone here. Just fly around that thing and come back.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I think that was a nice little flight, and you get a good impression about the area here, so let's move on.